think silver is just for coins or jewelry, its everyday uses actually help support its long term demand. Silver isn't just a precious metal, it is an essential material in countless everyday products. Its excellent conductivity makes it vital for electronics, while its unique properties are key in medical devices, automobiles, and renewable energy technologies. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that as emerging markets grow, especially in countries like China and India, more people are using products that contain silver. This consistent industrial and consumer demand helps maintain silver's value over time. Understanding these practical applications show why silver can play a meaningful role in a diversified retirement portfolio. I've linked this guide in the description. And this is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Silver Scheme Report and Company Integrity Checklist, all designed to give you a clear, informed view before making investment decisions. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free to see how silver's everyday applications contribute to long term demand and how that insight can guide your retirement planning. You can find the link in the description.